everyone. So you would like to know what is Pioneer in Magic the Gathering Arena? It is a format with all the past cards from a certain set onward, if I remember correctly. It's a very old set, and it tries to imitate the paper of Pioneer. It basically removes some very old cards, but after that it's all the cards you can think about. It tries to imitate the game on paper cards, since Pioneer does not have the alchemy sets, since they are digital only, but they are still not available in Pioneer. It's basically similar to Historic. Basically, you can play all the cards in the past, and this is it. It's a constructed format, of course. 60 cards, you build your own deck with the cards of the past, and you play. Very simple. And this is it. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.